白いちょうど黒いバラの花目覚め触れ合う日よ窓から覗き込んだ世界をかけ
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you.
Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you. Mabuhay Pilipinas, what's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back to SUPANOVA vlog. Vlog starring Tabibo and Pabibe! Hey Nitro! Hey! Hello Bibi! Nasa kotse kami ni Nitro ngayon. Nagda-driving siya. Hey Bibi, yes. Nagda-driving ka na ng Nitro kart mo. Hey, yes. Nagda-drive ang Bibi. Look Bibi. Ooh, what's that Bibi, huh? What's that, huh? Oh, it's the horn. Hey! Ngayon, pupunta na kami sa bahay ni Uncle Waza. Kami ni Nitro. So, ilagay ko siya sa chair niya. Diyan. Yun yung upuan niya. Tapos, pupunta kami dun. Kasi, kukunin ko po yung costume ko para mamaya. Mamaya, pupunta ako sa SUPANOVA. Isang Comic-Con dito sa Australia. Magtrabaho kami ni Uncle Tito Waza dun. Kasi may tindahan kami dun. Nagbibenta kami ng mga peking espada, peking shield, peking armor, ganun. So, yun. Let's go, baby Nitro. I'm gonna put you in this chair, huh? Yeah? I'm gonna put you in your seat now, okay? Yes. And I'm filming with the Sony action camera. Two places at once. Okay, Nitro. Are you ready, baby? Hey, are you ready? Yes. You're ready, hey, baby? Yes. Tara na. Go to sa bahay ni Tita Waza. Tara na. Alright, guys, let's reverse out. Let's go. Woohoo! Hello, baby Nitro. Hello. Yes, let's get you out of the seat. Come on, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Okay, baby, come on. Here we go. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Eto na, eto na. Ayun. Got him. Good job. Sana gising na siya kasi alas 8 pa lang sa umaga. Hey, baby. Yes. Sana gising si Uncle Waza. Hello? Sweet? It's Uncle Waza. Do you remember Uncle Waza? Hey, it's Uncle Waza. Hey, it's Uncle Waza. It's Uncle Waza. The boo. Boo. Bing boo. Bing boo. He's just staring. He's grabbing the Hey, Nitro. It's Uncle Waza. Don't you remember Uncle Waza? You haven't seen him for a week and you forget who he was. Hey, hey.
I'm your worst nightmare. That's funny.
You're very quiet, aren't you, boy? Very quiet. Yes.
He's trying to work it out.
Come on, get Uncle
It's
Waza.
all right.
Get Uncle Waza.
Oh!
It's Uncle Waza. Get Uncle Waza. That's it. Don't be scared.
Ready? Ready? Come on. It's all right. Ready? All right. Oh, look.
Oh, it's okay.
I don't
It's
use
alright.
that.
It's okay, baby.
Oh, what, am I that scary?
Flying, baby.
What did you do then? I'm not too sure.
No, he's not these.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. One,
You like that one, eh?
2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, yeah. He like laughs and then he stops laughing.
What you doing here?
Go to daddy. Go to daddy.
That's better. You can. That's too much prep.
Heaps of armour. Yeah, just whatever you got. I'm not too fussy.
Oh, you probably there, mate.
Yep, I'll just give him a wipe.
So dusty as hell. I come in freaking. You got dust allergies, you die. Oh, you get it right now.
Oh yeah, the samurai.
Yeah,
armour.
the samurai,
Yeah,
that'd be
okay.
cool.
Yeah, right. Yep, done.
Get that and then
Alright.
check some of this crap on with it.
Yep,
Yes.
sounds good.
Yeah.
Yeah, alright, done.
Done, that's easy.
Awesome.
It's not so bulky then.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Awesome. Alright, so yan po yung armor natin mamaya. Hey, baby Nitro, yes. I'm gonna dress you up as an orc, huh? Little goblin. Uy, who's that? Do you remember Uncle Walter?
Boo. Boo. Taba.
Taba daw.
He said fat gut. He said it in Tagalog, really.
Fat gut. Matabang chan.
Matabang chang.
Chan.
Chan.
Yeah.
Matabang chan. Matabang chan. Matabang chan. What's a fat gut?
Thanks, Uncle Woz. We'll see you later today. Alright, done. Baby Nitro, you ready to go? Hey, are you ready to go, baby? Huh? Are you ready? What's wrong? It's okay. It's okay. Let's go home.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.
Ayun, malapit na tayo sa bahay. Nitro. Yes, malapit na, bebe. Oh! Almost ran over a bird. Kapit kong masagasaan yung ibon eh. Daming ibon kasi dito sa Australia. Sobrang dami. You okay, baby Nitro? Huh? Yeah, it's okay. We're almost home. Malapit na. Malapit na, bebe. Ito na. Just around the corner. Just around this corner. Malapit na, baby. Okay. Ito na. We're home, baby Nitro. Woohoo! We made it, baby. Woo! Okay. Ayan, Adventure Fam. So, ihatid ko si Nitro dito kay Mami Shanta. Tapos, magbihis ako. Tapos, alis na tayo. Papuntang SUPANOVA. So, baby. Hey, there's Mommy. Look, there's Mommy. It's my baby. Yes. It's Mami Shanta. I'll leave you with Mommy, okay? Daddy's gotta go.
Did you buy me chocolate and
Oh no, I'll buy them after band practice.
What do you mean band practice?
Because I'm going to band practice.
Now?
Yeah, and then I'm going to SUPANOVA.
What time are you coming back?
6 p.m. But after band practice is 11, so I'll get you yourself at 11, okay?
11 I can't because
Why?
Nitro is awake now. I can't relax.
Nako,
That's why I sleep para pag 9 when he sleeps at 10 then I can read
I can run down to the servo and get you some chocolate, okay?
and
How about that?
chips.
Sige. Okay, I'm gonna leave Baby Nitro with Mami Shanta.
Anay, I'll just put soap didi para I can wash the dishes.
It's alright, I'm gonna put him in the walker. Hey baby, yes, you go in the walker? Nitro, you stay with Mami Shanta lang muna, ha? Yes, you stay with Mami lang muna. Kain ka ng almusal. It's okay, it's alright. You okay, baby?
I will eat with me.
Yay! Kain ka na, baby. Kain na. Kain na, baby. Bye-bye, baby.
Oh no, you're coming back because you're buying chips for me.
Yes.
Daddy will come back.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, nagdadrama ang baby. Nagdadrama. It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay.
Okay, Nitro.
Pilipinas, what's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back sa Pumunta vlog starring Pabibo. Ngayong araw po, pupunta ako sa SUPANOVA. Yes, andito ako ngayon. Nandun lang siya sa building na yan, over this bridge. So yan, punta na tayo dun. Magkita na po tayo kay Uncle Waza, Tito Waza. At ang store namin. Yes, may tindahan kami dito sa SUPANOVA. Para siyang Comic Con ng Australia. So ito yung outfit ko. Medyo sira siya ng konti, pero sige lang, bahala na. Let's do this. Maraming nagka-cosplay dito sa SUPANOVA. So, tingnan natin kung anong mga costume ng mga tao dito. That is awesome. Woo. Boom. Hey, how you going?
Good. Have you signed things up?
Yep,
Thank
sure
you.
have. Cheers. Mendo. Ayan, pasok na tayo sa loob. Maghahanap tayo kay Uncle Waza. Dinala akong costume ko dito sa loob ng pram ni Nitro kasi nag-park ako sa casino. Bawal mag-park sa casino kapag hindi ka magka-casino. So, wala nang kasing parking dito sa exhibition center na to. Puno na yung parking, kaya naghanap ako ng paraan. So I smuggled my costume out of the casino with Nitro's pram. Ang galing, no? Char. Oh, nasa loob na tayo, Dwaine fam. Eto siya. Ayun, no? Ganda, no? Daming tao. Buti na lang pwede pa mag-event dito sa Brisbane, no? So maghahanap na po tayo ngayon ng tindahan namin. Late ako kasi may band practice ako kanina. Kaya medyo late ako. White Walker. Yung mga pusil-pusil. Pwede bumili ng baril dito. Sana kasama na lang sina Nitro at Chanta. Kaso may bayad. Pero sige lang, worth it naman, no? Kaso I'm working. They would just have to manatili sa shop namin the whole day. So medyo boring para kay Chanta. Kasi hindi siya pwede maglaag-laag. Or pwede naman, pero this is not really her thing, I think. Yan si Uncle Waza, nasa parang dragon suit. Siya yun. Batman is here. Tingnan niyo kung sinong nandito. O si Arian, o. Tagalog ka.
Dahil ako.
Nag-mission din siya sa Pilipinas. Kaya marunong mag-Tagalog, di ba?
I got here.
Marunong ka mag-Tagalog, di ba?
Minsan.
Minsan. Kalok
Ako
ka.
din ako talaga.
Yung night na to, his boot has come undone. Oh no. Success. So we have Jack Sparrow. Captain Jack Sparrow. Is that right? Did I get that right?
It's just my laugh.
It's just your laugh. Okay. Just a pirate. And we have the female Venom.
Clearly Pokemon.
So dito lang ako the whole day. Babantay ng tindahan na to. Yung, may Dwaine fan pala dito. Hoy! Say hi to the Philippines, ah! Ayan! Nasa bahay siya. Oo, pero ito yung pram niya. Oo. Ah, sige, sige pa. Okay, dapat sa ka pa. Dwaine fam. Sige, Picture muna tayo. What's up? You know, taga saan ba kayo?
Davao.
Do you want me to take one for you guys? I'll take it for you. Oh, I like that one.
Stig ang costume, grabe. Gryffindor. Gryffindor. Look at that. That is crazy, huh? Anime characters just walking around.
A few moments later.
Okay, tapos na tayo. Magpa-pack up na sila. Ayan, ito na. Kami din magpa-pack up na. So, may tagumpay tayo dito. Kumita kami ng mga sa $500. So, yun. Ilan yun sa pesos? Mga 20,000? Yun. Ito siya. Hey, Daughter Fam. Nakauwi na tayo. At may pasalubong ako para kay Shanta. Nakalagay dito, seal of disapproval. Parang si Shanta yun kasi pandak na pamilya. Shanta, you ready for your pasalubong, Shanta? You, close your eyes. Close your eyes lang muna. Close your eyes lang muna. No, you don't.
Because I got wet by the rain.
You don't look ugly, anak ka ba? Keep closing your eyes. Close your eyes, close your eyes. Okay, are you ready? Oh, are you ready?
Sige na.
Son? Teka lang, teka lang.
Sige na, I'm hungry.
Teka lang, ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Open your eyes. Open! It's you! Kasi it's haliputay nga pa, bebe.
Isn't that the lazy egg? Oh
No, it's not the lazy egg, it's a seal. Ano ka ba?
It's a seal.
And look at what it says. Can you read that?
Seal of disapproval. Why? Oh,
Because
what
it's
does
like
it
you're...
always say?
Yeah, I'm happy. Yeah. Ano? Ulitin mo. Shanta siya may pasalubong.
Nasa gadiya. Wala yun. Basta pa. Usa pa. Ano to? Ano to sa lingko? Ako dito sa lingko mo, nag-iinap ko doon. Diri, ito ba na itsura doon ko uyam. Nasaan ito?
And the sunshine in Manila.